What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my kitchen. Actually, in today's video I am going to make the delicious Jamaican style oxtail, and the seasoning that I'll be using is roasted garlic and herb, paprika, black pepper, chicken ribs poulet, yeah, lemon pepper, and I'm adding some red chili pepper as well. And just to add, I have added the measurements in the description area if you want to know or if you want to try out this recipe. Okay, so stick around and enjoy the rest of the video. So guys, for your food browning, it's really optional, but you can add more or less, depends on your liking. For what you're looking at right here, for me it's a little bit too dark, so if you want you can add less, that's up to you. Meanwhile, my oxtail was cooking. I prepped my vegetables, so I have my tomato, I have garlic, onions, bell pepper, and a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper. Now that my meat is soft and tender, I am now adding my chopped vegetables. There you go, guys, my finished Jamaican style oxtail. I'm gonna have this with some rice and peas, some veg on the side as well. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you comment in the comment section as well. Tell me what you like about this video. Did you enjoy the video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, for the recipe, it's also located in the description section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.